Hey Ding Dong, so today I'm going to do a quick demo slash unboxing review on the HeatPress. Inside it looks like it comes with some sort of free decal for iron-on, a free demo t-shirt, and a screwdriver and some nails, and the little black holder thing for the HeatPress. So setup is pretty easy. All you have to do is plug in the HeatPress and just put together the heat rest holder. So side note, this is actually my first time using a HeatPress. I was actually debating on getting this or the Cricut Easy Press, but I ended up getting this on Amazon because it was less expensive. It also said that you didn't have to apply any pressure, that it does it for you, so I wanted to see if this feature actually worked. So the HeatPress actually comes with this white soft pad and the black foam pad as well. So let's see how this thing actually works. Let's demo. So here I've got the time settings and the temperature adjusted. I'm going to lay out my t-shirt here and preheat it. I heard that's a good tip to get the HTV to stick well. So the HeatPress retails for about $120, I believe, on Amazon. Of course, there's a ton of other heat presses on Amazon, but I chose this one based on the reviews. And then now I'm just going to measure, make sure everything is centered. I'm actually making this shirt for a customer, and they actually ended up really loving the shirt. One thing I really like about this heat press is it tells me the exact temperature and it has a timer, which makes it really easy for pressing t-shirts. Okay, so now that I've got everything placed where I want, I'm gonna put my Teflon sheet on and we're gonna see how this thing works. Now it says it's a high frequency heat press, so really I think it just vibrates until it does whatever it does. I thought it was gonna, like, I don't know, be heavier on it, but it's basically just like a big iron. So you can turn the vibration off or keep it on. I don't really see the difference, but it still works way better than an iron. I gotta give it that. I would say if you're just starting out making t-shirts, then this is not a bad heat press to try out if you're a beginner. Alright guys, well that pretty much concludes my quick little review on the high frequency heat press. It presses shirts well, it works better than an iron, and it's cheaper than the 10x12 Cricut Easy Press, so I'm glad I purchased it. Thank you guys for watching. Bye ding dongs! If you want to watch the rest of the unboxing, stay tuned.